Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a coal without digging underground. So guys, it's actually very easy and simple, and if you like this video please like and subscribe. And guys, first we should make a pickaxe. For that you need some wood and some sticks. So guys, I think this much of wood is going to be enough for making a pickaxe. So guys, now I'm gonna make the pickaxe. Okay, so guys, you can see that I've got my pickaxe, and guys, after getting the pickaxe you have to collect some cobblestone. You have to get some cobblestone actually, so that you can make at least some coal. So guys, and you can see over here that I have got enough cobblestone. So guys, over here, after getting enough cobblestone, you have to again go towards the crafting table, and you have to take the cobblestone that you have and place it in this manner. And now you can see that you'll get some furnace, and after getting some furnace, place it on the ground, and before that you should take some more wood also, because you need coal, right? So you need some more wood, and even oak planks is also going to be fine if you don't have wood. So guys, and now you can see that it is getting burned and you'll get coal over here. So guys, and now we can see that I got charcoal, and if you like this video please like, share, subscribe, and meet you all guys in the next video. So guys, bye.